Moses, are you ready?
And action!
And action!
Hi, I'm Rishi Kapoor, founder of Pause, and we're back on Crowdcube for a second year. Pause is a next-generation media company with the mission to propel film and TV streaming into the future through innovations in distribution and monetization, combining streaming with micropayments, enhanced live experiences, and NFTs.
Right now, whilst over 94% of all film and TV content made is independent, only 3% ever make a profit, meaning the vast majority are underexposed and undermonetized.
Last year in 2020, Pause set out to change those dynamics and successfully overfunded on Crowdcube by 40%. It raised over £350,000 in order to launch the Pause service to the world.
Just over a month after closing on Crowdcube, we launched our service on iOS, Android and web. It was Christmas Eve 2020, hitting our target of launching before Christmas Day.
And since then, we've not only met all of our targets, but completely exceeded all expectations. We've expanded our number of users by more than 6 times our expected targets. Our revenue is over 200% what we said we would achieve, and we are now screening 3 new films or series every single day.
That's right, every 24 hours you'll see new content from diverse creators all over the world. Anything from comedy to drama, series, feature films, documentaries, animation, and even, on occasion, live theatre and music performances. There really is something for everyone.
And having worked with over 3,700 global creators, we've even launched content starring actors David Tennant and the brilliant Sir Ian McKellen, and worked with producers like Sadie Frost. But we're not stopping there. We're raising a bigger round with a bigger team and bigger ambitions, with VC funding already in to back us. In 2022, we'll be going supersonic with a groundbreaking new smart TV deal with the world's largest digital media player, Roku, giving us access to 55 million households directly on TV, making us currently the only TV streaming app with direct fan to creator payments through your remote control. Now that's innovation the TV world has never seen before.
We will be doubling our efforts in marketing, having spent a year learning about our target customers and what works for them.
And we'll be growing aggressively in new technologies such as immersive live screenings and NFTs.
Which is already being kickstarted with an innovative new NFT offering. We're making history by being the world's only streaming service with integrated NFTs.
Pause has got a really strong financial model which allows it to make money. We take a proportion of anything that's raised for our service. The last year for Pause has been a very exciting year. We've moved from something which was a concept to something which is actually working now. It's demonstrable, it's provable. We've got confidence now to drive it forward.
The concept and the vision that we sell to both operators and to consumers never has a question. They absolutely see the vision that we have. It's really about execution. It's really about getting those eyeballs on the content and getting that distribution right. And if we do those things, I feel even more confident than I was 2 years ago that we'll make Pause a huge success.
Pause has opened up like a whole new door, a whole new avenue of being able to distribute.
Live engagement at premieres or just the comments and the tipping bonuses that you can get in the future, you know, are all great features.
There's one website, one app, one space that could hold so many different exciting films that I want to watch. And it's just filmmaker focused.
Now is the time to invest in the future of media. So please, come and join the TV and film streaming revolution.